Hey! Mama says, some people will die in this compound.
Where did you get that from?
Some people will just die in this compound.
Huh?
What?
Where did you get the clothes from?
What sort of question is that? I don't understand. What do you mean when I got them from? I bought them, if you must know.
You bought them with which money?
Tomato juice. Some people die.
As I'm talking to you, you bought them with which money?
Well, if you must know, I bought them with the money you gave to me.
What?
Yes.
Asa, you used the money I gave to you to start up a business and to buy more clothes?
What is wrong with you? What do you calling my expensive clothes, man? See, you should be happy that your wife needs to be looking good for you. Why is it that you don't like my happiness? You don't want my happiness? What is wrong with you? Eh? Are you such an enemy of progress? I don't like it though. Stop it though.
Asa, do you know how long it took me to save the money I gave to you to start up a business? Eh? You used it for clothes? Had it been you told me you don't want to set up a business, I would have done what? I would have used it, I would have invested the money on something meaningful.
Invest. That is the family. Investor. What kind of stupid investment is that? Did I ever tell you that I wanted to start up any business? I've always told you, I love to be a housewife. Let me just be here, cooking, bearing children, enjoying my life. When you go out as a man, make money, bring it home, and I will help you manage it. Will I kill myself? Housewife. That is what I want to be.
Asa, you have serious problem. And only God can save you from it. But I want you to know one thing. One day you will realize what it means to work for something.
One day you will also realize what it means to maintain your wife. Maintenance is a must though. Even maintenance, it is a must. And I have this standard I want to maintain. You don't want to help me maintain this standard, but you see, you must. I'll hold you to it.
What stupid standard are you talking about?
Can't you see Eliza in this compound? How beautiful she looks all the time. Her husband takes good care of her. What stops you? Are you not a man? Are you not a man?
You have serious problem.
Do what men do.
You have serious problem. Oh yes, but I must tell you, I will not kill myself for you. I will not die because of you.
You don't have to kill yourself because of me, because me, I will not kill myself because of you. In a man, because of ordinary 200,000 naira that you gave to me. Men, some men give their wives 1 million naira for maintenance. 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. I'll put like 200,000 kids your cheba chiri me. If I one keta.
What did you say?
If I one myself, in one keta. I will get it.
I'm walking at 1
That is what you are being about. And wait a minute, you want to beat me? You want to beat me? Come and beat me.
I'm walking at 1
You cannot say, come and beat me.
I'm walking at 1
That's it, go.
I'm walking at 1
Beat me! And you see that if you're talking about you don't have peace in this house, I will give you even more pieces that you have ever experienced in this house. Look at my friend clothes. I was thinking that he would appreciate the fact that his wife is.
I know it. They will not talk about pension. This government is useless, wicked, and pachydermous to the plight of the hoi polloi. How can a man serve this very country with all his heart and then be rewarded with this kind of wickedness?
When I told you not to vote the last time, did you listen to me? Now, the so-called government that you voted for cannot take care of you during retirement.
Will you stop that balderdash? What do you know about demography in relation with psephology? Don't you know that one single vote is very important? It has the potential of changing a whole abysmal economic and political situation.
I hear you. See, grandma know they pay bills, oh. I don't tell you.
Hey! The eagle has landed. Oh, nebo.
Asa lady. This one you are titivated to the point of mesmerism on the part of your secret admirers? Where are you headed to?
I am not going anywhere. I'm just so happy because God is good. And when I say God is good, all the time.
Then why are you dressed this gorgeously?
Because whom God have blessed, no man can curse. And anybody who tries to curse the person God has blessed, the person will collect woto. Well, a special announcements for those useless people that have not even fed well. Those people looking for how to feed well. That goes to Okerika to pick 5th grade Okerika and wear and be showing themselves, I'm a big girl. Come and see. I said, why you qualify for the let me tell you, I am wearing not ordinary clothes. I am wearing turkey. When I mean turkey from America. The original. Let them go and die.
There you go again. A recipe for
Which
trouble.
turkey? Can you buy turkey? You get money. Hey! Can you even afford this kind of phone? Look at it very well. Some people can be so useless and stupid in this life. They cannot even differentiate their right from their left. How can someone use the only money, the last money she has in her life to buy cheap clothes?
Who just backed? Eh? I heard a dog barking. Who is that dog that just backed? Anyway, now listen to me, you dog. Have it in your mind that I am bigger than you, even in this life and next life. And if you try me, thunder will fire you. And not just ordinary thunder. You see the thunder that will fire you? The thunder that is from third heaven will destroy you and that of your generation.
You see why I talk say you no get sense? Because if you get sense, you no go mention that word thunder. Because now firewood you take the cocoa. Somebody go buy silk and cotton, things and original. You see these clothes, it go catch fire. Fire go burn them. And the annoying thing is that we don't have fire extinguisher in this compound. So you see yourself.
Hey! Originality! Originality! Biko! Hey! Negodi no. Negodi no. Oya chukwu gozili. Hey!
Nobody go to shop. Fine woman.
Hey!
See how you are looking.
God has blessed you.
Full option.
Nobody people has.
Oh my God.
Don't go to Kanfu.
You are beautiful.
Hey!
Let's oh.
Must you ladies lacerate yourself with scouting and excoriating words every day?
Pajom. Biko, wabim. Wapuru Chineke bim. Do you understand? Just be in your space and allow me to be in mine. And even Awagi, stay out of this, oh. Hapa anum pama, it's your fear. Let me talk to her. Mama de fe. You know what tell Monu? Are you better than me? You not reach. If you try, I go beat you. If you try, I go beat you. Go get in Kakoropa. Nonsense. Good afternoon.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
What says your time?
I don't know. I don't have watch. You buy watch for me.
I see. You forgot to take the keys from school. What is your problem?
Can't you see the sun is very scorching? I'm saying that I'm so black in this house. When last did you buy me cream? I want me to enter this sun so that I will be darker than you are. It is not possible. You have come to carry them now. You have done well. Are you not their father? Oh no, brother Murofa. You are the husband. As you have...
Mommy, I'm hungry.
Is that not your father? Follow him. Follow your father. Go and eat. Tell him that you are hungry. And leave me alone. Leave me. These less people. Do you have footsteps? You don't have footsteps. Someone that is hungry and looking for food is asking for footsteps. You are finished. If you try me,
Only this phone.
Only
this phone.
This
your phone has not reached this phone.
Stop! You ladies are aggravating my presbycutions by reason of your cacophony.
Trouble has filled his mind. Oh, where you go, what you see? But don't cry, be a man. Don't shed tears, you a man.
Again, can I watch a flop? Why are you looking at me like that? Atabri momejigi. Did I steal your money?
So there is no food left for me to eat in this house?
Unfortunately, there is no food. The only one remaining is the one the children are eating already. What's the need?
And why is that? Eh?
Because there's no food, number one. Eh?
We have two tubers of yam in that kitchen. Why didn't you even boil white yam for me?
Two tubers of yam. 2 tubers of yam. You got a tuber of yam. You 2 tubers. Anyway, I didn't have strength to enter the kitchen. So even as I'm talking to you, I don't still have strength to enter the kitchen.
But you have the strength to quarrel with everyone in this compound, right?
Obasale, it is my life. And I don't even know why you think I don't have the freedom to do whatever I so please in this compound. In fact, you are a da. Because I am going to do whatever I want to do in this compound and you can't stop me. Dalia.
I'm hungry, I want to eat something.
Pardon me. See, I said I don't have strength to enter that kitchen and I mean every word of it. I'm not even talking to you here, wasting my time. I want to go somewhere. When I come back, we'll continue. I have somewhere to go. See you later. I'll come back.
Don't worry, just be a man. Don't give up, cause what comes to a man is equal to the man. He can conquer what? It's a matter of time. Just keep hope alive. Your God is not asleep. Cry unto him.
Who said that money is not good?
Agono. Agono.
No.
Hey! Asa. You want to
Thank you.
I
I am looking beautiful and I know.
Yes, so.
Nobody needs to tell me otherwise.
I'm telling you, Asa. This clothes looks so good on you.
Yes, sir.
It's just as if you both were meant for each other.
No, it's not completely about the clothes. It's the person wearing it. Aruka aqua. Aruka goda aqua. What I go?
Hey, Asa. What is your clothes, eh?
You like it?
It does not look as original as the one Eliza used to wear.
How do you mean? No, don't even compare my clothes with that useless Eliza's clothes. Oh. My own is the original. It's Oliza or Eliza, whatever she wears. She's the one that wears fake. Me, I wear original. Can't you see?
Don't even say that. Don't say it. Oh. This your clothes. If the white chulechu does not look like a new one. Or no one but the kiss tote.
You know you're not a good friend. In fact, you're not a... I don't even know why I keep you around me as my friend. You're not a good person. What kind of nonsense is that? How can you reduce my beautifully made foreign clothes? You call it one body.
Don't be angry.
Hey!
I was only pulling your legs.
Yeah.
If your best friend don't tease you, who will tease you?
Don't tease me. What kind of expensive joke is that? You're telling me you're teasing me. You're insulting my personality. You're not saying you tease me. No.
I'm sorry. Oh, Asa. But your husband is doing well now. Or is he not the one that bought the clothes for you?
He's the one that bought the clothes for me. And please, let me just tell you this thing because I'm very, very angry. Don't ever compare whatever I'm wearing with that nonsense thing Eliza wears to church. Don't compare it. We are two different people. And I'm bigger. She's smaller. Just understand it now. In every ramification. Don't compare us.
Asando, sorry.
Are you comparing me and my enemy? No, don't do that.
So tell me, was it your husband that bought it for you?
Yeah, who else? It's my husband now. My husband.
I'm thinking it's your backup that bought it.
What is backup?
Asa. You think I don't know?
That's what I'm asking you now. What is backup?
Someone that is servicing you. It's too big for that your slim husband. Someone that is helping him outside.
Chinekime. Oh, you are trying to insinuate that I have a boyfriend outside my husband. Mama, don't even say that. In fact, you see this chapter, close it and don't open it again. You are single, you are not married. So you cannot compare your lifestyle and my own. Don't I don't have any other man aside my husband. He is the one that does everything for me, both inside the room and outside the room. Just know it now. Let it be registered in your head. But
you can tell me, I will not tell anybody if you have any backup. I will not.
And if I go, I will never come to your house again and you cease to be my friend.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Sorry
now. You're just telling me that you don't have. I used to think that you have.
The day God will deliver you from this gossip of yours, that day you start to become a new person.
Asa.
Asanam.
What should I bring for you?
I'm not hungry.
Ha! Are you angry? I'm sorry.
I said
now.
I am not angry. I ate in my mother's place. I don't want to eat. Eh? Okay, not hungry.
Ewo. I did not see this clothes very well before. Hey!
Okay.
I'm just seeing this. Akwaya amaka. Jeez. Kulu. It's just like that one that my local government chairman's wife used to wear. And she used to buy her own from UK or Obodo.
I told you.
Hey!
I told you.
Asa!
See, the clothes I wear, you cannot compare it with that useless girl clothes.
Asa, number one. One and only Asa. Ogini. Asu wanine. Mama.
Radical lover, ready to fight. Jealousy lover. Tell them me she cool temper. Bika put a biggie. Cool temper. Bika put a biggie. Asanwa take a easy. I beg you. Trouble no dey pay. Asa wahala no be food. Asanwa you two package well.
Wait, oh. This thing that this my stupid girlfriend said. Backup plan. What if I decide to have a backup? Just like she advised. Eh? And deal with that Eliza. And show her that I am better and I'm more beautiful than her. Because money is everything. Money is the ultimate. If I have money now, I can be looking very, very beautiful. And she will be jealous. What if I decide to do that? And I love my husband so much. He never do anything bad to me. I'm not going to do him. Because nobody can do me the way James do me. James, they do me well, oh. James, they do me well, oh. Nobody can do me the way James do me. No, I will not have that. I will not do that. It's not good, even in the sight of God and man. I will not do it.
Trouble no dey pay. Ata wahala no be food. Asamwa you two package well. Chubu kasili go for man. You say you want to be only housewife. No wahala. I know they complain, but your wahala done dey too much. Asama Guinea can get mad. Mellow me for your love walkie. Asamwa.
What is this now? I don't know. What is this? Oh, you entered my kitchen, cooked my yam and you are eating it. What, James?
Asa, I bought the yam with my money.
You bought which yam with your money? The one you bought with your money is finished already. This particular yam, Teta, I bought it with my money. And you just had the mind, entered my kitchen, cooked your yam, and you are enjoying it.
Asa, please, I don't have time for this. I don't want all this your madness. I don't want it.
Chine, give me.
Yes, allow me to enjoy this yam in peace. Allow me, please.
Oh, she no madness. Yeah, but maybe she not the mad. So I am mad. I am mad. I am mad. Are you a stupid man? How can you call me mad? This is madness. This is madness. Let me show you how mad people behave. Just show you, if you hate now, I'll beat you up. You want to fight me? Do you want to fight me? James, it's already coming here. Let us start so that I'm not going to move. Come now, let us do this thing.
I'm a gentleman. Gentlemen don't hit women.
Daddy, wait for me.
Look, woman, this attitude of yours is very dangerous. Eh? Have you considered the type of trauma your husband passes through every day? Have you considered the mental health of your children? Do you ever thought of how your negative behavior impinges on their psyche? Have you?
Yeah, okay, respect yourself. Respect yourself! What is even your problem in this compound? Who made you a marriage counselor? Look at you, a man that does not have a woman in his house. Can you live with a woman? You cannot.
No.
Don't advise me for marriage. Don't tell me how to run my
Hold
home.
it there, my daughter. You don't know anything about my history. So don't dabble into it in media res. Let me tell you, this world is full of ups and downs, or will I say vicissitude. So when you see a good man like James, all you need to give to him is love and peace. So let me advise you, be circumspect in your connubial affairs.
I beg, leave this English. If English was money, you won't be in this compound. This English that you're speaking now, after everything, you're still living in the face me and slap you that we're all living in. Don't disturb me. Go and face your home. In fact, go and get a wife. Go and get a wife before you die off. Without anybody calling you daddy. You just die off like that. Please get out. You're trying to educate me about marriage. Like I don't want you. Come and pick this week, Kuko.
Wonder the good book said it is good to stay even in open roof than to stay with a nagging woman. It's unfortunate.
You say you want to be only his wife. No wahala, I know they complain, but allow me to hustle like a man. I want to make money and take good care of you and my kids.
So why not report her to her mother? Eh? Why not report this thing to her mother?
Do you know how many times I've done that? I've reported issues to her mother, but she ended up insulting me.
And then you take this matter to your people. Take it to your people. I think the only time she will come to her senses is when you pack her things back to her mother's house. Only then will she come back to her senses.
Chere. Slow down. Okay? It hasn't gotten to that. I know that things are not right, but it hasn't gotten to what you're saying now.
That is the problem I have with you. This is just the problem I have with you. You're too lily-livered. And that's why you're being treated like a slave in your own house. Almost if I were you, if I were you, I would have sent her packing long ago. But I'm not in for this nonsense. If I were you, but she will not last 1 minute.
It's easier said than done. Oh yes. You will not understand. Just pray that you don't find yourself in such a situation. Because if you do, you will have nothing to do or even say. I'm telling you the truth. My wife is not a bad woman. Oh yes, my wife is not that bad. All she needs now is a counselor, a marriage counselor that will talk to us, that will mold us, that will let us understand that marriage is not a fight, giri thing. Marriage is about tolerance. Marriage is about understanding. Marriage is about sacrifice. That's all we need now.
Anne, can you see yourself talk jargon? I mean, can you hear yourself? It's obvious that you're under the influence of a love child. No, if you're not, how can you explain this? Just look at the full-grown man talking nonsense. Sometimes you'll be under her legs with punches going on your back. Sometimes you'll be on the armpits. Sometimes I don't understand. Guy, you look at the 9 months before you were born. Because I want to ask you this thing. You're not looking... You didn't make a okay guy.
You will not understand. You will not understand. When you get married, you understand me better. I'm not under any influence. I know what I'm doing. I love my wife, and love is a beautiful thing.
I will soon lay a curse on you.
Love is a beautiful thing. I love my wife, I cannot fight her. I cannot send her packing. I cannot kill her. I cannot commit murder. I will not do it.
Hey! So it has gotten to this extent. James will leave this house and not come back on time. So what wrong? I watch also. I go mine. It just matter. Oh, you are back. Let me go back where you are coming from. Oh, I come out there, you don't like me. understand it. I am talking.
You don't die.
I didn't know you're the one. You should have shouted now and told me that you're the one. I didn't know. I'm sorry.
Sir, is that why you wanted to scatter my brain?
No. I'm not. Why can you go? I'm not going to.
You almost broke my head.
Ndo. Sorry. Ndo. Hey, what? This one you're here by this time of the night. I hope there's no problem.
I came to see if you can borrow me some money. I need to rush to the hospital and see my mother.
Borrow you some money. What happened when I borrow you? Borrow you some money. What happened? I don't have money to borrow you, my sister. Are you sure that's the reason you are here? Because my spirit is telling me that you brought a bad news to my house this night.
I did not bring any bad news. I did not bring any bad news. The thing is that I was wondering, when would you allow your husband get so drunk to the extent of walking along the street, singing like a madman?
I said, is that why you're here?
Yes.
Okay, it's no longer to borrow money. It is not to tell me that my husband got drunk and now singing on the road like a madman. Okay, so bad drunk. Leave my house.
Huh?
I said leave.
Are you asking me to leave your house?
Because leave my house. Leave.
Because I came to give you the house.
Leave my house. Who's that woman? Hey! Come on, get out of my house. This girl is so evil. Since I've known this girl, she has never contributed any positive thing to my life. Every time she comes here to tell me one bad thing or the other. Rubbish. I want to talk about girl also. Me am BBP na banya. Mana chekwaro. Hey, James. So James, you actually have money to enjoy yourself. Drink. Enjoy yourself out there. While I'm here drinking gari. When you come back, you tell me you don't have money. So Wadro. It's a chair butter.
Trouble has filled his mind. On where you go, what you see. But don't cry. Be a man. Don't shed tears. You a man. This is marriage. If on your follow, this is your cross. You have to bear it.
Open the door for me, please. Open the door. Open the door for me. Open the door for me. Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself.
James, what can I do for you? What can I do?
I want to go in and sleep. I want to go inside my house.
Listen to me. This is not the best solution to your predicament. And you are too young for this alcoholic inebriation.
Are you saying I'm too young to enjoy myself? Huh? I'm too young to enjoy myself. What are you saying? Allow me, I want to go and rest now. What is your problem? What is your problem? What is your problem in this house? What are you doing? Treating me the way you're treating me?
I'm not treating you anyway.
Yeah.
Listen to me. I know. Listen to me, James. Listen to me. I know what you are going through. But don't fall for this booby trap of alcoholic inebriation. It is dangerous. Do you hear what I said? Oh yeah, follow me.
Let me enter inside my room.
Follow me.
I want to rest here.
And let's follow the other door of your room. Come.
Which door?
Come, let me show you now. Follow me. Come, you will. Come.
Allow me.
Come now.
Allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself.
Come with me.
Allow me.
I have not received my pension for 5 months
Allow
now.
me to enjoy myself. Allow me to enjoy myself.
Follow me, let's go. Don't you see I'm even slumbering? You wait and disturb my sweet sleep. That is your house.
Who is here? Who is here? Who is here?
Ask me.
Open, open, open. Open the door for me. Please. Please. Open, open. Open, open, open. I want to enjoy Who's here? Why? Babe. 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 Open.
She must find you. You say now you go lose. Don't say yourself. She must find you. If you say make you die, now you go lose. If you say make you run away, she must find you. If you say make you die, now you go lose. Don't worry, just be a man. Don't give up, cause what comes to a man is equal to the man. He can conquer what? It's a matter of time. Just keep hope alive. Your God is not asleep. Cry unto him. You must conquer. You must rejoice, yo. Cause marriage is a blessing and your God cannot let you down. You have to bear it. If you say make you run, you can run away.
Open my door, sweet home, home, sweet home, home. Open my door, sweet home, home, sweet home.
James, what are you doing here by this time? James, you're drunk.
Open the door. I want to sleep. I want to go and sleep.
James, why are you doing this, James? Do you want to die before your time?
Die? I will not die. And why do you say I will die? I don't understand. I'm still young. I want to enjoy myself. Open the door. Let me sleep. Let me sleep. Let me sleep.
James. It's okay. Come inside.
Every day I used to take you to school. You have grown to be going to school by yourself. Do you understand? Okay. So if you get to the main road and you want to cross, you look right, you look left. What did I say?
You look right, you look left.
Hold your ears first. Say it again.
You look right, you look left.
And then you cross. Yeah, bring it down. This is 20 naira. Hold it. This is 50 naira. But you eat only 30 naira and bring back 20 naira for me. Do you understand?
Yes.
There go. Hold your brother. Hold him. Go. You're mature. Or tomorrow night, say I'm taking you to school every day. Where are you coming from?
What about the kids? Have they gone to school?
They have not gone to school. They are inside my mouth. What is the time now? Why won't they be in school? Look at you. So what you do is, you go out, get drunk, sleep with whoever you want to sleep with, and then come back later the next day to ask me stupid questions. And you call yourself a father, a husband. What are you husbanding me?
Sir, please, I'm not ready for this madness.
What? You're not going anywhere. You are not going anywhere unless you tell me where you slept last night. What kind of nonsense and ingredients is this?
Are you mad? Enough of this nonsense. Rubbish. And let me tell you something. If you stop me anytime in this house, I will hit your head.
Pretender! Hello, Chimo! Crocodile tears that you dey shed. Pretender! That person be.
I will not take it.
Can you stop this nonsense? Can you stop this
cannot
nonsense?
shout
Stop
at
this
me.
rubbish. Stop this rubbish.
You cannot shout at me and do all these things. And you tell me you want to stay in this house. You cannot do it.
I don't want this madness.
Ona.
I'm tired of this madness. I'm tired. I am tired.
I am not tired. I'm not tired. Why did you sleep out last night? See, go back to that place you came from. You're not entering this house.
You are pushing me, oh.
Out of this house.
Asa, I said you're pushing me, oh, in
Don't
this
ever-
house.
don't-
You are pushing me, oh, in this
If you
house,
don't
Asa.
tell me where you went to, you can never enter this house.
Asa, stop this nonsense. Asa, stop this rubbish. Asa,
No.
I don't like this, oh.
No.
Asa.
See, come to my house, eh? I have food. Come and eat. I know you're hungry. Come and eat.
Don't worry, I'm fine.
I have tea, oh. Fried egg with buttered bread. You will like it. Come on, leave this woman. Come. Come to my house. Don't mind this useless person. Come. Come, make I take care of you. Come.
Now who send you asa? This is not the way to manage family. Full-time housewife.
Useless man. Useless man. You go out and you misbehave. And you want me to. Where is he? Onyala. Oh. Is that not my husband's leg? Wait. Eliza. Where's this worry witch?
My door. You won't break my door. What did they happen?
See my husband's leg.
Which leg?
My husband's
My
leg.
friend, come for this place. What you offer to do for my house? You well?
You better say you take Chris.
Eh.
Something they worry you for
Eh.
them. Wait till make you carry my husband enter your
Who
house.
tell you say I carry your husband enter my house?
I just saw
Which
the
leg you see? Let's say you don't dement.
See, Eliza, if you don't want me to scatter you into shreds, just give me my husband in peace. Let me go.
Husband, why you don't throw away since?
I won't take away my husband. We just dey play. I tell myself make he dey. Say later I know how to do am. We be husband and wife.
What? No make me vex because if I vex, I go run enter your body. I go finish
Your
body.
man.
I go enter your body. Come.
See, I go beat you.
See, as you know, fit take care of your husband. I say make I take care of him for your mama and God.
You go take care of my own husband.
Yes.
My own man.
Yes.
For me. As I don't fit take care of him.
Yes.
I go beat you.
You no fit. You no fit. You no fit. I be worried. You no fit. You no go fit do anything. Your husband don't dey my house. Come on, come on. Your husband don't dey my house. Your husband don't.
Worry witch. Hey, Chineke me. What is it? James, if you do anything with that woman, you are gone. James, I will kill you. Hey, open this door. Open this. Carpenter. Where's the carpenter?
Easy. What is it?
What is what?
All right. I saw Asa ranting along the road. She was complaining that you took gems into your house. Well, if this is true, it is not good. One thing is clear. They are a couple. Whenever they quarrel, they will always settle.
But John,
Yes.
allow me to take care of him since she cannot take care of him. Eh? Anybody when not value wetin he get go lose am o.
No, it's not like that. You see, okay, look at this way. What if people tell your husband that you took a man into his connubial home
I have told my husband already, he's aware. I beg I dey go market. Baba, I beg correct gang food dey inside my pot. If you dey hungry, open and make you eat. Oh?
Hey. There will certainly be an inferno in this house today.
You are the mad fellow. Do you understand? Listen, let me tell you. If you don't release my husband, I will scatter this shop now. Are you mad? You not fit. Oga, abandon this woman from this place.
Now through the talk, we no get short is never shop. If you do anyhow now, I go use that first put up your body water.
No, Rash, you go fight you. Carry her, come on from here. Come on from here. Carry her. You never finish up. You will come for here. She will come with me for here. You will come with me for here. No problem. Nonsense. Useless woman. Troublemaker. It's your God go punish you.
Is it
What is true?
that you stole my friend's husband?
Stop which husband? Carry your amebo and aproko come out from this place. Man, no call task force for you.
Which kind you hate task force? Who you dey tell that one? You think say you go intimidate me? See, this is where they do Eliza and sin. Repent then!
You dey mad. You dey mad. Come from this place. Get from here. Come here. Come here. Come be the road with that. Go like this. Hey, go. Go. Let's mad.
Eliza, God will punish you.
God go punish you too. God go punish you. You say, I mean the cause.
Eliza, God will punish you for me. God will punish you. Asa, idiot. I wonder why you were not the one they gave me steady slap. Oh, you never look again. I can't even see again. Eliza, God will punish you. You will suffer for the rest of your life, Eliza. God will punish you. God will punish you, Eliza.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. James, please. Open the door. Jamie, anything I don't do, you better forgive me. Forgive me. You know I love you so much. We are husband and wife. We are bound to quarrel, we are bound to fight. If we fight finish, you go settle. Yes. Nobody has right to come in between us. Please. You know how much I love you. Please, I beg. Come out, I don't go fight you again. I don't go beat. In fact, I don't go do anything wey go make you vex again. I beg. Let me see trouble. That girl is a witch. She's a witch. She's a witch. Why would you listen to you? Carry my husband love for house. Hey. Carry him love for house. Carry him come out. Just go dey do mumu. Go green make it lock her for house. She's a witch. Yes. Can you be a guy? I buy sharp bag one. Hey, Obim, my love. Jamie, Odinobi Mubiko, forgive me and come out.
What is going on here?
JJ.
For my domot. Come, just spoil my goods.
Who spoil your goods? I don't spoil your goods. I beg you. I beg you, worry. I beg you, Elizabeth. I beg you in the name of God. Just give me my husband, JJ. Make
give her her husband. Give her her husband. See, Amebo. Look at this idiot. See, I'm very tired and I want to rest. I don't want to carry your body. Come up from my friend.
Give me my husband now.
Give her her husband. You know what they call husband? You shall be taken care of, man. No, you're not supposed to marry.
You don't sign me.
You not be human being.
You don't go find my husband. Every time your husband to America, we never see husband.
No mind now.
Oh yeah, sorry. Give me my husband. Give me my husband. Come, wait it. Husband snatcher. Give her husband. Please. I'm sorry. Husband snatcher.
Yes. I bought pork and vegetable for you.
Pork and vegetable kill you there. Go and give your husband pork and vegetable and don't give my own. Nonsense. Oh, never. You know, honey, you know I love you so much. Hey, husband snatcher. He's my husband. He is my own. Go. Get out. Useless idiot. I don't come. Hey, what is that? Hey, and you, Emergo, did she use worry juju on you? How can a woman lock you inside and you allowed her to lock you, padlock you inside and go out? Okay, from my, okay, you put two legs in one trouser. Okay, I'm gonna. Go inside. Go inside. Let's continue. Go inside. Let us continue. Go inside. I don't know about you, but if you ask me, 2 is better than 1. Of course. Let me call you back. Mama, I cannot believe that my husband shouted at me. He shouted at me in the presence of all the tenants in the house. Called me a lazy wife and even pushed me. What? Yeah, so why didn't you break his head? Yes! You should have busted his head open. Is he mad? I don't know. His mates are out there making money and he's busy shouting at you. Onapwala. Mama, I don't know. That is why I've come for you to give me advice. Tell me what to do. I want to deal with him. I want to show him. Now listen. I cannot just shout at anybody and get away with it. Listen. Go back to your house. Throw his things outside. If he tries to stop you, throw him on the ground and beat him up like a thief. Thank you, Mama. This is the best advice. The best advice he's giving me since this year. Thank you so much. Asa, if you don't do this, he will shout at you again. No, Mama. I'm going to do it. Get away, Osbo. You can go to my kitchen and take the peso. Who appear is no problem. Osbo, fire for fire. Don't worry. Hey, when you gap, for what? Why are you on the blue battery?
Something has happened, Asa. You will not believe what happened.
What is that?
Asa, I don't know how to say it. Just come with me, let me show you.
Tell me, it's find a way. Just
let's go.
Oh yeah, show me now. Show me.
Let's
Where?
go.
Are we going this one?
This way. Thank God I met you.
No, now you are making me my heart jump.
Asa,
Tell me what.
if you see what I'm going to show you, your heart is fly.
No, you cannot do that.
Hey!
I don't want my heart to fly yet.
Hey!
What does it look like is going on? Eh? Don't you have eyes? Can't you see what's going on there?
I don't have your time. Pajon, please, what is going on here?
It is called conjugal bliss.
Bam.
Oh, you know? I'm a professor!
I beg you, keep quiet. In a simple English, what is going on here? Tell me.
Anyway, we are here to celebrate with our good neighbor James.
Exactly.
On the occasion of his new union or new marriage, otherwise known as the Uterogamy.
Okay.
Wait. I don't understand something. Who James are you talking about? Is he my own James or is there any other James in this compound?
Oh, your ex-husband is actually wedded.
James!
Come on, wish him well.
Wish who well?
Celebrate with us.
James!
Celebrate.
James! Hey! So you had the mind to bring another woman into this house. Are you a madman? What's the meaning of this?
No, they are legally married in a court of competent jurisdiction.
You shut up! Shut up your mouth and don't put your mouth into this again. I want to understand something. James, why? How dare you bring another woman into this house? Are you mad?
Honey, who's this?
Thank you.
My ex.
What did you call me?
He said you are his ex-wife, and that is what you are from today henceforth. Don't you have eyes? He has finally chosen his path. You will suffer it.
Very useless idiot. Shameless man.
Where a mad woman.
Papa. Hey, you. You still have not answered my question. Why is this woman in this house?
Honey, who did you say she is again?
My ex-wife.
Your ex? And so what? I did not invite you to this ceremony, so
You
what?
don't need to invite me to my own house, you this mad woman. You don't need to... Yes. You're very, very stupid.
Asa.
I want this woman out of this place.
It's the one waiting.
Ladies and gentlemen, merriment continue!
Music, let's dance.
Music!
My man. She cannot do anything.
DJ, music!
Fire music time.
Open this gate, oh! Open this gate! I will break down this gate. I will break it down if you don't open it. Open this gate, oh!
Open which gate? Don't lock the gate.
They have locked the gate. What kind of nonsense is this?
Open, who locked the gate?
What kind of nonsense?
Open this gate.
See, I will break down this gate, oh.
Break which gate? Eh?
And you, Seth. What do you find come here? Who invite you come this place?
Which kind of stupid question be that one? I beg, make you not be saying the rice don't finish. Make you not be saying the rice don't finish. Eh? I don't know why you gonna ask me.
What you concern me concern rice? I'm not going to Baramuno now. Please get out. Open the gate, oh.
Open the gate.
Hey.
Madam, I did sure say you go fight for them because of rice. Then they carry you come outside.
Who you be?
Eh?
I don't even understand. What you concern me? My husband is about getting married to another woman. I'm trying to stop it on that area.
Which husband?
My husband.
My friend, when they marry, say which husband you get? Now because of rice, you go fight. Now what to make them carry you come outside? Make this right. You don't collect rice.
Hey, Unako, you don't have sense.
I never chop. I see rice.
James, you cannot try this nonsense, so. Get out of this place.
Get where? You get out.
See, I will pour my anger on you now.
Paul and Silas, calm down.
Who is Paul and Silas?
I never chop rice.
Get out. James!
I don't know whether to die or to still be alive. James wants to kill me.
Okay, what is the problem? What did he do?
I got into the compound and saw James dancing with one woman. When I asked, they said that he got married in the court today.
James got married?
To another woman.
How?
I don't know. They were jubilating. And then he even called me his ex-wife. Mama, as it stands now, I don't even know my right from my left. What do I do? I'm confused, Mama.
I know what to do. Just calm down.
Mama, please, whatever you know, however you want to do it, let's start it now. Please. I don't want to lose my marriage, oh.
Hello? Yes. Please come with your boys to my house now. Immediately, I want to see you. I'm waiting.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for today. You're welcome. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your contributions. Thank you for your efforts in making today a success. I pray that the good Lord that started the good work in my new home will reward you all. In the mighty name of Jesus. Well, I would want to say more, but because of the time, it's late already. Well, I'll reserve it for another day.
You're not reserving anything, my friend. What are you reserving? Go ahead, it's your day. Tell us anything.
Okay.
You have a beautiful wife.
Okay. Without taking your time, I would want to formally, maybe can you please stand? Thank you. Permit me to formally introduce my beautiful, alluring, outstanding wife. Her name is Captain Sonwa Dike.
Captain.
She is a military officer. And my new wife, my queen, my baby. Thank you so much. My wife and I, we are greeting you all. Thank you for coming. Please,
Thank you.
we'll be inside.
Go inside and finish work.
Before you go inside, please, just a minute.
Okay, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, as the chairman of the occasion, I would like to make one observation. In fact, I have to save you these periphrases and circumstances. I made one observation. In fact, before the start of the occasion, I was just observing this je ne sais quoi that actually separates, distinguish an army officer from ordinary recruit. I never knew that she's an officer. Ladies and gentlemen, officer, you're welcome to So at this juncture, we are saying Mr. and Mrs. James, you can go in and let this very enjoyment continue in the other room.
Yeah, go. Go and fire on. My man. Fire. 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 The part of
It's a wonderful thing. To God be the glory. Great things He has done. So Lord, we will never be so.
Officers, listen. Once we get there, make sure you kick him until he cries like a baby before you take him to the station.
Don't worry, madam. We know our job.
And don't forget, when you get to the station, make sure you deal with him mercilessly. The type you will never forget in a hurry.
Oh, we're wasting time now. Let's start going, eh?
Madam, no worry. We are officer with the law.
Take it easy now. Can't you see I'm giving instructions to my boys?
I'm not your boy. I'm an officer with the law.
Mama, let us go before you start looking for who to call your boy. Can we go?
But you understand?
Of course they do. Now, are they not policemen?
Let's go.
Forgive me and accept me back.
Hey, I don't want to see you. I don't need you. Do you want to die? Do you want my wife to kill you before you realize that I've moved on?
How can you possibly move on without me? Me, I cannot move on without you now. Please.
Asa, I am done with you.
You know I'm obsessed about you. I cannot stay on my own without you.
That obsession will kill you.
Nothing will kill me.
I don't need you. Get out of my house now.
I am not done with you. I'm not tired yet.
I said get out of my house. I'm tired. I am done.
You cannot
get
be
out.
done. No.
I said get out. Get out of my house now. Get out.
Please.
Mommy, who is that?
Babe. It's the NEPA people. The NEPA.
Who is that?
Get out. Get out. Babe, it's the NEPA people. I'm coming now. Yes, they want to cut our light. Get out. Get out.
So I'm not the NEPA people.
I said get out. Babe, they want to cut our light. Oh yes, get out. Get out.